Okay, so that was shifting of decimal place to the left. When we shift it to the left, the power becomes positive. We need not write these three. Even if you write, it is okay, but you need not write that. Now, when I speak, see, this was actually what, see, 2.3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 10 multiplied 4 times. So see, 2.3 into 10 gives you 23. 23 into 10 is 230, into 10 is 2300, into 10 is 23,000. So it is multiplied by 10 4 times. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Ha.
Sir, same that number comes.
Huh?
Sir, same that numbers come 23,000.
Same number comes. That's what I'm saying. Na? When you multiply 2.3 with 10 4 times, you will get this number. So we write 23,000 as 2.3 into 10 raised to 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, on the other hand, see, if I take a number 23 and I divide by 10, what do I get?
2.3.
2.3. Further, 2.3 you divide by 10. What do you get?
0.23.
0.23.
0.23. Again, 0.23 you divide by 10. What do you get?
0.023.
Means as you go on dividing by 10, as you go on multiplying by 10, smaller number becomes a larger number. As you go on dividing by 10, the number goes on decreasing. It goes on decreasing. Now, this further number 0.023 divided by 10 would give me 0.0023. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, this number is a very small number, 0.0023. Now, what I have to do? I said that we want decimal number such that the decimal number is one digit from 1 to 9. Single digit I want. So this decimal, I want between 1 to 9 only the digits. I don't want a 0 as a digit. So now this has to shift towards right. How many places? 1, 2, 3.
3.
This would become what? 2.3 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3. Why minus 3? Because 1, 2, and 3 times I have divided 2.3 by 10. We have divided 2.3 once, twice, thrice. We have divided by 10, so 10 raised to minus 3. We had multiplied by 10, so 10 raised to plus 4. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So the most important point is that very small numbers will be expressed with the positive power of 10, whereas very small numbers will be expressed with the negative power of 10, depending on number of places the decimal point gets shifted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now you tell me, if I give you a number 0.0000703. First of all, is it a very small number or a very big number?
Big.
Small number.
Very,
Very
small,
small.
number.
Very
0.
small.
Very small number. It is very, very small. So what will be the power of 10? Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. So tell me how many places it has to shift. You tell me.
7
1,
times.
2, 3, 4, 5. Because I want what? 7 point something. So 7.023 into what?
10 raised to
10
uh,
raised
minus 5. You tell me, have I shifted this point till here? इथपर्यंत आणला का point आपण? नाही. आपण इथं आणला कारण की आपल्याला सिंगल डिजिट पाहिजे. आर यू अंडरस्टँडिंग?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
how many
sir.
places we have shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 7.023 into 10 raised to minus 5 becomes yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Similarly, now you tell me 0.002000 will be equal to what?
2 into 10 raised to 3
3 ka minus 3 ke liye.
minus 3.
Is it a small
Minus.
number or a big number? Very, very
Small
small.
Small
number.
number.
0 means it will be a negative power. Decimal point is shifting towards right. So decimal goes towards right, negative power. Decimal goes towards left, positive power. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many places is it going? 1, 2, 3. So it would become 2.000. So 2.0 is 2 only, but it has shifted how many places? 1, 2, and 3. So multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3. Why minus 3? So very, very small, very small number, decimal has shifted towards right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me what is this number? 70230000. Is it a small number or a big number?
Big
Big
number.
number.
So
Number.
what power 10 will have, negative or positive?
Positive.
Positive.
How many places? Where is the decimal right now? After the number here, 0.00. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how many places
Yes,
it is
sir.
going to shift? 1, 2,
7.
4,
7.
5, 6, 7. So what should I write? Tell me. 7 point.
7.023
Into 10 raised
multiplied
to
by
7.
10 raised to 7.
Divided by 10 raised to 7.
Exactly, because we have shifted the decimal point 7 places. Now you tell me. Yes.
Can you repeat that?
What happened? What happened?
Sir, that minus and plus that I didn't get.
Yeah, I'm explaining. Wait. Just pay attention. See, now you tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. First of all, you have to decide whether this is a big number or a small number. Which kind of a number? Is it a very big number or a very small number?
Very big number.
Big means what?
Very big
Higher
number.
value. See, if I try to take it, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It is actually 1 crore, 23 lakhs, 45,000. So very big number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now pay attention very carefully. Yeah, if this is a very big number, what you have to check? If this is a number, there is no decimal, means decimal is at the last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 8. 8 means what? 8.0. Yes or no, children? 256
Yes,
means
sir.
what? 256.0. Nothing is there after 250. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means any number
Yes.
is what? Any number 0.00. Now, when you want to this is called as the standard form. Whenever you want to express any number into the standard form of exponents, standard exponential form, or standard form of exponents, what does that standard form say? It should be only one digit before the decimal. You can have n number of digits after the decimal. It doesn't matter. But to the left of the decimal, only one digit. And which digit? From 1 to 9. 0 is not allowed. 0 is not 1 to 9. So if I want only single digit, that means decimal point has to come over here. Yes or no, beta? So that it is 1 point. Are you understanding? Here it would be 7 point. And how many places it is coming to the left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places the decimal point is shifted. So what will be this number? 1.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 10 raised to 7. Why 7? Because 7 places we shifted. Similarly, in this number, this was a very big number, 7 crore 2,30,000 was the number. 7 crore 2,30,000 was the number. It's a very, very big number. 7 crore wala number. Big number. So obviously it is going to have a positive power. Now how many places it is shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So into 10 raised to 7 is already there. And 7 point, because the decimal point is single digit I want. I want a single digit between 1 to 9. Here the single digit is 1. Here the single digit is 7. Are you understanding? Shifted 7 places. So 7.023 and all these are zeros. So if you, even if you don't write, it is okay. Actual number would be what? 7.023 and 0.0000 multiplied by 10 raised to 7. But ending wale zeros you can ignore. So I have written this. But between wala zero, we can't ignore. Here, there is no zero. So entire thing you had to write. Are you understanding? Children, are we understanding?
Yes, sir.
What are we understanding?
Yes.
What are we understanding? That very big numbers will be written with a positive power of 10. Are you understanding? And if it is a
Yes,
very
sir.
small number, if it is a very small number, it will be written with the help of
Negative number.
negative
Power.
power of 10. And how do you decide this? Again, either you shift the point to the left or you shift the point to the right. If it is going to the right, for a small number, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so 10 raised to minus 5. 1, 2, 3, so 10 raised to minus 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Start. Is this doubt clear? Who had the doubt? किसको doubt था ये? Hey, who had asked me the doubt?
Sir,
Arya, is this part right now clear to you?
no, sir.
What is the confusion? You tell me. Okay, Arya, you tell me now. Only Arya will speak. Arya, you tell me. I give you a number. Suppose the number for you is 4372. Is it a small number or a big number?
Big number.
Yeah, because 0 point will be small numbers. This is obviously a big number. Okay, so big number. Okay, I'll give you one more hint. And you remember this 0.000002378. What is this?
Very small number.
Yes, very good. So this is a very, very small number. I am calling this a small number. I am calling this a big number. The first thing what I will write, with a single decimal, 4.372 into 10 raised to something. And here what I will write, 2.378 into 10 raised to something. Till here it is fine, Arya.
Yes.
Now see, decimal point here there is no decimal. Means it is after the digit 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because 48 is nothing but 48.00. So that the decimal always comes after the digit. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now it is shifting how many places? You tell me. 1, 2, and 3. Decimal point has shifted
3.
from here to here. So 10 raised to 3. Why? Why positive 3? Because it is a big number. Because it is a big number, positive 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you tell me, this decimal point, where will it shift? Towards the left or towards the right?
Left.
Left. इकडे जाणार आहे.
No, right.
Right. So how many places it is going? Check. इथून इकडे आला. 1 place, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. है की नाही? So 2.378 into 10 raised to what? Minus 6. Why minus 6? Because it is a small number. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now it is clear. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now you tell me. 0.00302 is equal to what? Straight away what you will write?
Here I will add 3.02.
Into, now tell me, how many places?
1, 2, 3.
So into what?
10 into 3.
-3.
Minus 3.
Small number hai ki nahi?
Yes.
Small number, so -3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you tell me one more. You tell me one more. What is this?
Big number.
Okay, so will it have a negative power or a positive power?
Positive power.
What will be straight away? First of all, what should you write? 9.9291.
9.9.
इतने point है ना directly single digit. And how many places? From where it is going to shift now? This point went towards the right. Here point is not there. Means the point is over here. Not there means at the last. Yes or no?
Yes.
So how many
Yes.
places? Tell me. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So into what?
10 into 5.
10 raised to 5. Say 10 raised to 5.
Raised to 5.
Yes or no? Why positive power? Because it is a big number. Why negative power? Because it is a small number. Any difficulty?
No.
So big number will always have a positive power of 10. Small number will always have a negative power of 10. Everybody, is this clear to all of us?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, start writing. Just a moment. Just a minute, children. Is this part clear to all of you, but
Yes, sir.
and one more very important thing I have to tell. It was about big numbers and small numbers. Now see, one important concept we forgot to take. See, what is 1 upon 10? 0.1. Do you know that?
Yes.
What is 1 upon 100?
0.01.
Do you know that when you divide by 100, you get 2 decimals? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is 1 upon 1000?
0.001.
0.001.
1 upon 10,000?
0.0001.
Now wait, wait. It's a very important concept I'm going to tell. This is 10 raised to 1. 10 means 10 raised to 1. 100 is 10 square. Do you know that? 10 raised to 2 is 100.
Yes, sir.
10 raised to 3 is 1000. Why? Because see, it is 1 upon 10. This is 1 upon 10 into 10. That is 10 square. That is 100. 1 upon 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. And this is 1 upon 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 10 taken 4 times, so 4 zeros. That is 1 upon 10 raised to 4. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Now pay attention very, very carefully. Arya, you tell me this number would be what? Is equal to what? Where is the decimal point going to shift?
Towards
Right.
this
Because it is a
right
small
side.
number.
Right.
How many places it is shifting? You tell me. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
4 1 च्या पुढे येणार की नाही 1.0 आपल्याला 0 पाहिजे का 1.2 3 पॉइंट पाहिजे की नाही तो 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 4 because it has shifted 1 2 3 and 4 places. Yes or no?
Yes.
This point will shift how many places? 1
1, 2,
3 आणि स्मॉल नंबर आहे मग काय येणार 1.0 1 पॉइंट पुढे काहीच नाहीये म्हणजे 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 3 because it has shifted 3 places. Yes or no?
yes.
Ha. This is shifting how many places?
2.
So what will be the number?
1.0 into 10 minus 2.
And this is shifting how many places?
1.
So 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 1. Yes or no? Yes or no, children?
Yes.
Huh? Now, everybody pay attention. 10 raised to 1 at the denominator goes to the numerator and becomes 10 raised to minus 1. 10 raised to 2 at the denominator goes to the numerator and becomes minus 2. 3 at the denominator goes above and becomes minus 3. 4 at the denominator goes above and becomes minus 4. Are you understanding? This is the meaning of negative exponents. Means, similarly, if there is one important rule, 1 upon a raised to minus m would become a raised to plus m. Negative power at the denominator always goes to the numerator and becomes positive. Or a raised to minus m, that is 10 raised to minus 4, is nothing but 1 upon a raised to m. See, this number is same as this number. So 10 raised to minus 4 is nothing but 1 upon 10 raised to 4. 10 raised to minus 3 is actually what? 1 upon 10 raised to 3. Because this is 1 into. 1 into anything doesn't make any difference. Okay, isko bhul jao because 1 multiplied by anything is the same number. So 10 raised to minus 2 is what actually? 1 upon 10 raised to 2. Are you understanding, children?
Yes, sir.
So what is the important point? Negative power at the numerator goes to the denominator and becomes positive, or negative power at denominator goes to the numerator and becomes positive. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now you tell me 1 upon 4 raised to minus 3 is actually equal to what? 4 raised to
4.
4 upon
no.
3.
Negative power at denominator, I said, goes to the numerator and becomes positive. Did I say? Yes or no? Is actually 1 into 4 raised to 3. Are you understanding, children? Now how?
Yes, sir.
Now how? See. 4 raised to minus 3 means what, you know? Means what? The value of, I'll tell you. 4 raised to minus 3 itself means 4 raised to 3. It goes to the numerator and becomes 4 raised to 3. And on the other hand, 4 raised to minus 3 means what? Means 1 upon 4 cube. That is, just a minute. I know it's a little bit of confusing. With 5, you will understand what I'm trying to say. What is 5 square?
25.
25.
Now you tell me, what should be 5 raised to minus 2? According to our formula, a raised to minus m is actually 1 upon a raised to m. So it should be actually what? 1 upon
1 upon 5 raised to 2.
5 raised to 2.
What is what is 1 upon 5 raised to 5 square means what? 1 upon 25. Yes or no?
25.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
Now let us try and divide. Divide 1 by, just a minute, I am saying 1 a raised to minus m is 1 upon a raised to m, or 1 upon a raised to minus m is nothing but a raised to positive m. Now check in the rough work. 1 is divided by 25. How do we divide 1 by 25? Can you divide 1 by 25? So what do we do?
No, sir.
Decimal point.
0, 25 zeros are 0, comes down 1, take a decimal point, 10. Can you divide 10 by 25?
No.
No.
No, sir.
No, 10 is
One
not
zero.
divisible by 25. So 25 zeros are 0, 10, now comes a 0, that is 100. And 25, how many are? 25 fours are 100, remainder is 0. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
So 1 divided by 25, the answer is 0.04. Okay, remember 1 divided by 25. 5 raised to minus 2. 5 raised to minus 2 ka answer is what? 0.04. So therefore, what have we got? What have we got here? 5 raised to minus 2 is 0.04. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very important point, children. I am just trying to prove something to you. Now understand, 5 raised to minus 2 is 0.04. Now what is our rule? That if I take 1 upon 5 raised to minus 2, now I'm doing something different. So you tell me, 1 upon 5 raised to minus 2 means what? 1 upon 0.04. Yes or no, children? Because
Yes,
5
sir.
raised to minus 2 is 0.04. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Now, this is a small number. It is decimal number. What I am doing, I am going to multiply numerator as well as denominator by 100 into 100 into 100. So 1 into 100 is 100. And because I have multiplied by 100, decimal point will shift 2 places. Yes or no? 100 upon 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And 100 upon 4 is
Yes.
how much? 25.
20.
So what did I get just now? I got 1 upon 5 raised to minus 2 is equal to 25. Means what? 5 raised to 2. That's exactly what I'm trying to say for such a long time. An important point that 1 upon 5 raised to minus 2 is actually 5 raised to power 2. Means 1 upon a raised to minus m is actually a raised to the power m. Negative power at the denominator goes to the numerator and becomes positive, or else negative power at numerator comes to the denominator and becomes positive. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say now? I have proved that 1 upon 5 raised to minus 2 is actually equal to 5 square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because 1 upon 5 raised to minus 2 was 0.04. We found out over here. 1 divided by 25. 1 divided by 25 was 0.04. And when you divide 1 by 5 raised to minus 2, you get the answer as 25. So 1 upon 5 raised to minus 2 is 5 raised to 2. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
So write down. Just a moment. Chaitanya? Where is Chaitanya today? Who is present? Somebody? Children, from somebody of you, take a screenshot. Arya, take a screenshot of the participants. Take a
Yes,
screenshot
sir.
of the participants and send it on the group afterwards. So write down exponents. All of you write down exponents. And now write down we know that very large numbers can be expressed in the standard form with the help of powers of 10. With the help of powers of 10. Any number raised to a certain power is said to be in the exponential form. Example, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is nothing but, what is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2? How do we write this number as?
2
Raised to 5.
5.
2 raised to 5. Yes or no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Seven cube. So 2 raised to 5 and 7 raised to 2. Are in the exponential form. Are in the exponential form. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Below that, write down negative exponent. Just write the heading. I think we won't have that much of time. We'll continue it tomorrow. Negative exponents. Just write the heading as negative exponents. Write the heading as negative exponents.